Bryn is an estate agent. He gets paid £205 a week plus commission for all the properties he sells. Last week he sold 3 properties for £103,500, £116,500 and £132,000. If he was paid £460 and 20 pence, what percentage of commission did he earn on his sales? First, I'm going to work out how much Bryn's total sales were by adding 103,500, 116,500 and 132,000. This equals 352,000. Next, I need to find what percentage of this amount he is actually paid. To do this, I'm going to write his pay of £416 and 20 pence as a fraction of £352,000. To change this into a percentage, I will divide the top by the bottom. And then, I'll multiply my answer with 100. This is equal to 0.12. As the decimal 0.12 is the same as 12%. I know that Bryn is paid 12% commission on his sales.